Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of November 2023 for all the Cancer Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of November for all the Cancer Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Sun controls your second house, and right now Sun is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Libra. Second house deal with your family lineage is seen from second house, your family wealth, your family values is seen from second house, your wealth, your savings, your bank account is also seen from second house, your speech and your food intake habits are also seen from second house. So right now, second house Lord is moving in your fourth house. Fourth house will be your mother, your happiness, your emotions, your comfort in life is seen from fourth house. How much properties do you have, how much vehicle do you have, which kind of vehicles you have is seen from fourth house. So right now second house Lord is moving in your fourth house, so we can expect good result regarding your family related matter and your savings related matter. Also we can expect good result regarding your property related matter in the month of November. Sun will stay in your fourth house till 17th of November. After 17th of November, Sun will move to your fifth house in the sign of Scorpio. But before 17th of November, Sun is moving in your fourth house, and Mercury and Mars also moving in your fourth house. Mars controls your 10th house, and Mercury controls your 12th house and your third house. So we can expect good result regarding your fourth house related matter. You may good result regarding your property related matter, your vehicle related matter. You may have arranged some get together at your home in the month of November, especially before 17th of November, because Mars and Sun, both the planets will be moving in your fourth house till 17th of November. After 17th of November, when Sun will move to your fifth house, then we can expect you to expect good result regarding your education related matter, regarding your love relationship and your children's related matter if you have children right now, because fifth house deal with such things. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 12th house and your third house, and right now Mercury is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Libra. Mercury will stay in your fourth house till 7th of November. After 7th of November, Mercury will move to your fifth house, and after 27th of November, Mercury will move from your fifth house to your sixth house in the sign of Sagittarius. But right now, Mercury is moving in your fourth house. Third house will be your communication, your younger siblings seen from third house, your childhood friend, cousins, neighbors seen from third house, your handwriting, your hands are represented by third house. How much effort you can put in any work is seen from third house. So right now, third house Lord and 12th house. 12th house will be your expenses, your loss of your foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house. Your long-term investment, your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. So right now, 12th house Lord and third house Lord is moving in your fourth house. So till 7th of November, we can expect you will get good result regarding your communication related matter, regarding your younger siblings related matter, because Sun, your second house Lord and your 10th house Lord is also moving in your fourth house. So we can expect good result regarding your fourth house related. But after 7th of November, when Mercury will move to your fifth house, then you need to be take care of your education related matter till 17th of November, as we discussed previously. Sun will be moving in your fifth house after 17th of November. So till 17th of November, your 12th house Lord will be moving in your fifth house alone. So that's why we were saying you need to be take care of your education related matter, regarding your love relationship in the month of November, especially till 17th of November, till Sun will be moving in your fifth house. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Venus controls your 11th house and your fourth house, and right now Venus is moving in your third house in the sign of Virgo. 11th house deal with your elder sibling. 11th house deal with your hopes and wishes, your fulfillment of hopes and wishes seen from 11th house. Your achievement, your gains in life is seen from 11th house. Your friend circle, your professional circle is also seen from 11th house. Fourth house, as we discussed previously, fourth house deal with your mother, your emotions, your properties, your homeland, your home related matter is also seen from fourth house. So right now, fourth house Lord and 11th house Lord is moving in your third house, but Ketu is also moving in your third house, and Ketu is just moved from your fourth house to your third house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. So we can expect you may have to face some difficulty regarding your communication related matter, especially with your friend circle and your professional circle, because Venus controls your 11th house. 11th house Lord is moving in the house of communication, and Ketu is also moving there. So we can expect some disturbance regarding your communication related matter with your friends and professional network circle in the month of November. Now let's talk about moon. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, moon controls your first house. Means moon is your ascendant lord. Means moon is very important planet for you people. And right now, moon ascendant lord is moving in your first house. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of November, and on the basis of 6th November, we are predicting for a whole month because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, issues and difficulties are always associated with these house. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have to face some issues, difficulties and problem in their life, and especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Cancer ascendant people, Mars controls your 10th house and your 5th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 4th house till 17th of November as we discussed previously in Sun section. Mars will stay in your 4th house till 17th of November. After 17th of November, along with Sun, Mars will move to your 5th house in the sign of Scorpio. Means Mars will be move in its own sign after 17th of November. But till 17th of November, Mars is moving in your 4th house and Mars comes to your 10th house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your profession, your occupation is seen from 10th house. How much authority you have in your career is seen from 10th house. How famous you are is seen from 10th house. How your bosses, your work environment is also seen from 10th house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education, your mental ability, your planning ability seen from 5th house. How smart you are, how genius you are is seen from 5th house. So right now 5th house lord and 4th house lord is moving in your 4th house. So that's why we were saying in some section we can expect good result regarding your home related matter and your work related matter as well, because Jupiter is right now moving in alone in your 10th house and your 10th house lord Mars is sitting in your 4th house, and from 4th house Mars is expecting its own house. Means Mars is giving full support to its own house, so we can expect good result regarding your fame related matter, regarding your career related matter. Get some promotion and increment in the month of November as well, because right now Jupiter is moving in your 10th house and your 10th house lord is expecting its own house from your 4th house. So we can expect these results from Mars for all the Cancer ascendant people in the month of November. We will have 5 major astrological events in the month of November. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 4th house. But after 17th of November, Sun will move to your 5th house in the sign of Scorpio. Second major astrological event is that Saturn is right now moving in its retrograde motion in your 8th house. But after 3rd November 2023, Saturn will turn into its direct motion in your 8th house. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 4th house, but after 17th of November, along with Sun, Mars will also move to your 5th house in the sign of Scorpio. Fourth major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 4th house, but after 7th of November, Mercury will move to your 5th house, and after 27th of November, Mercury will move from your 5th house to your 6th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Fifth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 3rd house, and Venus is just moved from your 2nd house to your 3rd house after 3rd November 2023. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of November 2023 for all the Cancer ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.